Hello everybody and welcome back to the Tech Team. How are you guys doing? I am really good because today we are going to create our first beginner project, a whole big, not really big, but a whole game inside Python. So I am really excited about this one. I hope you guys are excited too. So in this first beginner tutorial, what we are going to do is that we are going to basically we're going to ask the user basically to tell us her name, her age and her password. So to follow this course you would need to know all the beginner tutorials. I have a beginner series in my channel and the first two intermediate videos. So with all that being said, let's just jump right into the video. So first of all, what we need is we need to ask about the username. So to do that we are going to create first of all a variable called name. And we are going to say that name is equal to input, and we are going to say right now type your name, type your username. Okay, but after that lots of things are going to happen, so it's not going to be really nice to see 1 2 3 4 lines of printing all at once. So what we are going to do is we are going to import time, which is a library that basically waits for some second before the other thing happens. So type your name, and then we are going to print hello, comma, and the name. So let's first of all run this for 1 second. Type your username. I know I'm going to fix that. Dennis. Hello Dennis. So what we're going to create to make this even better, we are going to say right here to wait for 1 second before that happens. So we are going to say time.sleep1. okay, and right now you can see type your username Dennis. It waits 1 second and then we get hello Dennis. So right now we want to ask the user about her age, and if the user is less than 13 then he can't play the game. So to create that look nice, we are going to say right here hello Dennis, like that. Please type your age. And what we're going to do next is that we are going to create a user input that we're going to call age, and we're going to say that is equal to an int input. So what that does is that it gets only numbers from the input, and we are going to say, oh, actually we're not going to say anything right here, but we are going to create some if statements, one if statement to be exact, that we are going to say that if the age is less than 13, then we want to print, sorry, but you can't play the game. Alright, and we're going to create an else statement. Oh, and before of that, I want to say that when you see that I let some lines, is because I want my code to be better, so if another developer comes to see it, he's going to say, oh, that's a nice code, I understand where the name is, where the age is, so we probably need to let a line right here. And you don't need to do it, but you can do it if you want. So right now we're going to say that else we want to print really nice you can now play the game. So let's test that out. So we get type your name, your username, Dennis. Hello Dennis, please type your age. If I do something like 10, sorry, but you can't play the game. But if I do something like, you're going to see 13, we are going to get really nice, you can now play the game. So that works just fine. Now our whole code is going to be inside this else statement. So what we are going to do right now is we are going to ask about, or no, let's create this look a little bit better. Or actually it's okay, we don't need another time.sleep, we are really nice. So inside this else statement we are going to put our whole code, because if the person is less than 13 and we put the code right here, you are going to see that, for example, I type hey, type your username Dennis, hello Dennis, please type your age. If I say 10, we get sorry but you can't play the game, and we get the hey, so the user can just play the game actually. That's why we're going to put everything else inside this else statement. So for the password, we are going to create our password variable, as you can see, and we're going to say that's equal to input, and let's say type your password please. Okay, and what am I doing? Okay, so let's put another time.sleep here for 1 second, and you can see that when I run, oh sorry, I pressed F11, type your username Dennis, hello Dennis, please type your age. So when I do 13, we are fine, really nice. Now you can, really nice, you can now play the game, type your password please. So if I do something like that, it works just fine. But we want to check if the user remembers his password. So what we are going to do is we are going to create another variable that we are going to call password check, and we are going to say that is equal to input, like that. And right now we are going to create a variable, an if statement, or actually let's print right here, type your password again. So we are going to say that if the password check is equal to password, then we want to print really good, now you can play the game. So if I do something like you're going to see in a second, please type your password 123, type your password again 123, really good, now you can play the game. But else the password is not correct, we want to ask the user again. Okay, so we want to ask the user again and again and again. So to do that, we are going to create a while loop. So we are going to say that while password check is not equal to password, then we want to print try again, your password is not correct. Okay, so let's test this one out. Type your username Dennis. Hello Dennis, please type your age 13. Really nice, you can now play the game. Type your password please 123. Type your password again, let's say 345. Oh, so what happened? Okay, because we want, yes, we don't need this print here, we want to input something, because with a print it asks, the while loop asks us again and again and again and again without waiting any second. So type your username Dennis. Hello Dennis, please type your age 13. Type your password please 123. Type your password again, let's say 456. Type your password again, let's say 345. Type your password again 123, and everything works fine. Let's actually check this thing out by, you're going to see, so give me a second, we're going to see if when we put 123 and 123 without putting anything wrong, if it is going to work. Type your password please 123, and now let's say 123. Okay, so everything works really fine. And what we want to do right now, we want to get out of the while loop and say and print, do you want to start playing the, do you want to start play, do you want to start actually the game? And we're going to say yes or no. So right now we are going to say, actually we don't want this print here. We are going to say play game is equal to, do you want to play the game, yes or no? And then we are going to say that if play sorry if play game is equal to yes, then we want to print really nice. But elif, so if the answer is not yes and the answer is play game is no, then we want to print okay then. Okay, and now you're going to see that when we run the program, type your username Dennis. Hello Dennis, please type your age 13. Really nice, you can now play the game. Type your what happened right there? Really okay okay, because really nice, you can now play the game. Okay 1 2 3, I don't know how to read 1 2 3, really good, now you can play the game. So why that didn't happen? So something went wrong here. Let's copy and paste this outside actually the while loop. So yeah, that I don't know how to talk. You're going to do lots of mistakes in programming. We're going to find this one out in just a second. Please type your age 13. 1 2 3 1 2 3. Really good, now you can play the game. Really good, now you can play the game. Oh, what am I doing? Oh my god, that didn't work out. Okay, a really big mistake. That didn't work out because we need to say input. What am I thinking? So actually, because you probably don't find out why that didn't work, we just created a variable and we said that it is equal to do you want play the game to start the game. Okay, we need to put this input right here, so basically everything is going to work just fine. So type your username Dennis. Hello Dennis, please type your age 13. Type your password 1 2 3 1 2 3. Really good, now you can play the game. Do you want to start the game? Yes or no? So if I press yes, really nice. But we have a problem right here. If someone don't put yes with the first letter capital and the others in small letters, is going to get an error. So to fix that, we are going to put an OR statement right here. So if play game is equal to yes, like that, or play game is equal is equal to yes, like that. I know that there is a better way to do it, but this is a beginner tutorial, I remind you that. So if play game is equal to yes, or play game is equal to yes, like that, or play game is equal to yes, like that, then we want to get really nice, and elif no, like that, or play game is equal to to no, like that, or play game is equal to no, like to no, like to know like that, then we want to get okay. Then so when we run the program, okay, equal is equal like that. So type your username Dennis. Hello Dennis, please type your age 13. Really nice, you can now play the game. Type your password please, 123. Type your password again, 123. Really good, now you can play the game. Do you want to start the game? If I put yes like that, we are going to get really nice. So let's actually put some more time.sleep. So where we want those times. Give me a second. Here, let's put one time.sleep 1, and let's put another time.sleep here. Let's put a time.sleep right here, and that's really it for now. Type your username Dennis. Hello Dennis, please type your age 13. Really nice, you can now play the game. Type your password please, 123. Type your password again, 123. Really good, now you can play the game. Do you want to start the game? Yes. Okay, so I will put the code down below if you want to copy and paste it, but I really encourage you to go and create this whole thing by yourself. It's really important. So with that being said, I hope you all doing good guys, and I will see you all in the next tutorial or video. Goodbye.